Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, we have a special report on a Nasdaq small cap trading just under $1. The chart looks primed for a breakout. Subscribers, check your inbox as we sent the report out at 8 p.m. And if you are not already a subscriber, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/YouTube and sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook and our featured report on 3 undiscovered AI companies. Our ebook, text messaging service, and email are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services whatsoever. Well, guys, U.S. stocks on Tuesday ended mixed amid small moves, with the focus largely on the fixed income market amid a flurry of treasury auctions. Market participants also appear to be in a wait-and-watch mode ahead of key inflation data later this week. Much like the previous session, the 3 major averages traded range-bound throughout the day. The tech-heavy Nasdaq eventually closed 0.37% higher, while the benchmark S&P 500 added 0.17%. The blue chip Dow slipped 0.25%. As I said in my Sunday night video, there wasn't much economic data on tap for the first 2 days. This is why we're seeing the choppy price action. Market is waiting for the inflation data and more signs of what the Fed will do next. Cryptocurrencies garnered significant attention on Tuesday, with Bitcoin logging a big gain. The world's largest crypto hit a 2-year high and was last up nearly 7%, around $56,900. The rally was driven by continued gains from MicroStrategy's announcement on Monday of a recent $155 million purchase of Bitcoin, as well as bullish momentum ahead of a highly anticipated halving event in April. Marathon Digital Holdings is due to report results tomorrow after the bell. The consensus EPS estimate is for 2 cents, which would be 100.6% year-over-year increase, and the consensus revenue is $145 million, which would be up 411%. Over the last 2 years, Mara has beaten EPS estimates 50% of the time and has beaten revenue estimates 25% of the time. Over the last 3 months, EPS estimates have seen 2 upward revisions and 0 downward. Revenue estimates have seen 6 upward revisions and 0 downward. And today on MicroStrategy, we also got a price target from analysts of $990. So that is also why it's bullish. Turning to other active stocks, Viking Therapeutics, VKTX, stock more than doubled in value after the drug maker said its investigational weight loss therapy met the primary and all secondary goals in a mid-stage study. Weight loss drug leaders Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly declined in reaction to the results. Viking Therapeutics on Tuesday also announced a proposed public stock offering of up to $350 million, with the move coming after the stock more than doubling in regular trading. Smart move by the company. Raise money off of this, which is what the company should be doing. I think there's a very strong potential of a takeover target. That's what Stat News tweeted today. They think that's a possibility. As if you look here, the market cap is I think if you look at it, it'd be a $15-20 billion market cap acquisition if you take into consideration this recent gains plus premium. So I do think there is more upside in VKTX. The investors love the results. As I said, they were positive. Had resulted in up to 13.1% placebo-adjusted mean weight loss in 176 adults enrolled in a phase 2 study. Oppenheimer's Jay Olson said Viking's obesity drug study results are almost flawless. And in terms of the stock offering, Viking said that it currently intends to use the net proceeds from the proposed offering for continued development of its VK2809, VK2735, and VK0214 programs, and for general research and development, working capital, and general corporate purposes. ALT, this is one that another obesity drug play that I've covered a lot here on this channel. It's ripping again. This is just congrats to those who've been banking. This has just been a great home run for us here at Insider Financial. And you can go in here and check out all that we've covered right here on the site. They're all right there. Title is in the headings there, so you can go and check it out. ALT was covered in January, covered in December. It's all right there on insiderfinancial.com. So go ahead and check out our previous coverage on a lot of these names. Beyond Meat, BYND is ripping in after hours. After the company reported Q4 earnings, the company disclosed revenue decreased 7.8% to $73.7 million in the quarter versus $66.7 million consensus. The drop was driven by a 14.6% decrease in net revenue per pound, partially offset by an 8% increase in volume of products sold. The company said our 2024 plan includes taking steps to steeply reduce operating expenses and cash use, pricing actions, and the right sizing of our production footprint, both in support of margin expansion, a years in the making core platform renovation and Beyond 4 that delivers superior health benefits and taste, and following the announcement initiation of our global operations review, taking certain non-cash charges pertaining to inventory and assets that are no longer consistent to our path and profitability. Company sees fiscal year 24 revenue of $315 million to $345 million versus $344 million consensus. Gross margin is expected to see in the mid to high teens range for the full year and is expected to be higher in the second half of the year relative to the first half. Operating expenses are expected to be in the range of $170 million to $190 million. Yada, yada, yada. Bottom line is, why is the stock up? Why is it running in after hours? It's just simple short squeeze. The short interest stands at more than 38% of the float, which is contributing to the big squeeze. So again, congrats to all finally getting a bounce in BYND. The AI boom continues with SOUN just ripping. Congrats to all who are banking. I covered all these AI stocks February 15th. Urgent NVIDIA is buying these AI stocks. Been one of my better performing videos lately. So again, click that notification bell and subscribe button so you don't miss any of these latest insights. But SOUN, NNOX, CXAI, big day up 81%. BBAI up 38% today. And tomorrow we get earnings from AI. Last quarter, C3.ai reported revenues of $73 million, up 17% year on year. Did miss analyst expectations, which contributed to the sell-off. It was a weaker quarter for the company with underwhelming revenue guidance for the next quarter and a miss of analyst revenue estimates. This quarter, analysts are expecting C3.ai's revenue to grow 14% year on year to $76.14 million, improving on the 4.4% year over year decline in revenue the company reported in the same quarter last year. The company is still expected to lose 28 cents per share. So again, Going to be a key earnings report after the close tomorrow, and we'll be watching to see if they how they guide going forward. Guts GUTS was up 20% today, popping on analyst coverage. We got Morgan Stanley out with an overweight $18 price target, and B of A out with a buy rating and a $26 price target. I put this on your radar in last week on February 6th. We got a lot of buying, insider buying, right at $15. And then we got the major dip here, so you're picking it up cheaper than insiders. So congrats to all who watched and picked up some GUTS. In terms of my short squeeze list, I put this out on Sunday night. BIG up 19%, Carvana up 15%. Fisker up 12%, Novavax up 9%, and Nikola up 4.5%. So again, seeing some short squeeze plays working out here, and I cover this in my short squeeze list here with my screener that I use on FinViz. And then tomorrow, guys, SMX is getting a pump in after hours. I'll be watching this one. Trade it, don't own it, and don't wait around for the dump, and don't become a bag holder. A lot of these low floats, trade them, don't own it. But tomorrow, our main focus is our $1 breakout play for subscribers. I will also, of course, be scanning pre-market as I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why signing up is so important, and it's completely free. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/YouTube and sign up with your email and mobile number. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.